So today's video is going to be a little bit different. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about different products to get in, guys, like different products you can import for China and then sell and make a lot of money from it. So I want you to see this video as an advice from a stupid person like me that I've been doing importation for years now, and I've been importing goods from China and then sell in Nigeria, guys. So if you don't know, if you go to my channel, then you'll see couples of video on like how I import goods from China and then how I sell on Jumia, guys. So if you are new, make sure you like and subscribe. Without wasting much of the time, let's jump straight into this video. So the first product I want to talk about, or I want to introduce to you, like how profitable this product is nothing less than chain. Like you see all this wrist chain, neck chain, leg chain, body chain, hand chain, anything chain, guys. I promise you it's very profitable. So what I do mainly is I sell all these wrist chain, guys, and I make a lot of money from it, guys. Like you can get wrist chain for as low as 200 naira, 100 naira. Like you can get as low as 100 naira, 150, and you can sell for as high as 1,500, 2,000, 3,000, in fact 5,000 naira. So my wrist chain, then I sell in Nigeria, guys. Like I buy and the shipping fee, everything costs like 740, and I sell for 5,000 naira. So you can see how much profit margin, guys. So actually it's not that I gain like 4,300. No, I didn't gain 4,300 because where I use my product, they will have to take commission and everything. So my profit is around like 3 5 per product, guys. So you can see it's still very much profitable. So that is why I say that like wrist chain is one of the best, like best products you can actually invest in. Not only wrist chain, like anything chain, neck chain and everything. So actually I also like I've invested in neck chain before, but it's not, I don't really like the way the order comes in. Like it's kind of slow for me. So actually it can be fast for you and everything, but for me, from personal experience, it's kind of slow. So like that's why I choose wrist check. Wrist chain is very fast, wrist check and leg chain, because there are not a lot of people selling this. A lot of people are not selling this. But if you talk about neck chain, a lot of people are selling neck chain, like different designs and everything. But you see wrist chain, leg chain, like it's not really that common. So that is why like the order for it is kind of high compared to neck chain and everything. And trust me, guys, it's not that neck chain is not also profitable, very profitable. You even know what you are doing, and trust me, guys, then you will actually make money from all these chains and everything, guys. So if you want to learn more and everything, like you want to know how to go about it from A to Z, guys, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, because that is literally what we discuss on our channel: how to make money online, how to put each other on tax. So that's just it, guys. So that's the first product, guys. The second product I would also advise you to go into, like if you have the money, it's kind of a little bit expensive. So what is it is all these old utensils. Trust me, guys, you make a lot of money from selling old utensils, like air fryer, blender, spoon, all these like silicons, everything, guys. You can make a lot of money by selling all these products. So I want to tell you that there's a high demand for all these things. Like there's a very high demand for it. You see, blender would always sells. You see, air fryer would always sells. In fact, like I sell blender to the extent of me having a like personal supplier for it, guys. Like I have a personal supplier for air fryer, like blenders and the likes, guys. Like I have a like a steady supplier for it, guys, because I've been having a lot of order for that thing. And like if you don't know that I do procurement, so I do help a lot of people to buy all this thing, and a lot of market people that I do help to buy a product and everything, because a lot of people are actually sales from, like they don't even, like just few of them come from my social media handle. So most of them are like one-to-one conversation. Yes, like one-to-one conversation. Then I have their number, and then they started ordering and buying for me, guys. So all these people, like most of their orders are blenders, air fryer, like spoons, all these table sets and everything. Like all these home utensils, guys. So I don't have a lot of order for it, guys. So you can also go into this niche, guys, and you will make a lot of money from it. But it's just that you need to have a little bit of capital, because like I won't lie to you, it's only capital that can do this. Because tell me now, you buy a blender for like 40,000, that's 5,000, that's 8,000. So the blender can be sold for like 70,000, like 65,000, 80,000, depend on where you are selling, like depend on the states and the marketplace and everything, guys. So they can be selling for as high as that. So that's like 2x of your money and everything, guys. But before that happen, you need to have like capital. You need to have a lot of capital. For an example, now you are using just 40,000 to buy one product. So do you have like amount to buy like 20 product on Grab? So do you have like that amount, much amount to buy like 20, 30 product on Grab? So that's just it. So that is why this is for like marketplace and everything. So if you have a physical store and everything, then you can actually get this thing and you put in your store there, started selling it little by little, guys. So it will be very, very much profitable for you. Instead of you buying all these things in Lagos, like for importer just like me, guys, and then they will have put their own money and everything. So it's get a little bit expensive. Actually, it's also profitable, but it get a little bit expensive compared from you getting it directly from China, guys. So that is why, guys, and trust me that you need money. So just as plain as simple as that. So the third product I also want to introduce to you that, so this product is like very, very cheap. So in just like region, it is very, very cheap, and you need to have money to like to start this business. And I was saying like between like 50,000 or 100,000, you can buy enough product to start like getting money from it, guys. So with like 50,000 or 100,000 investment, I promise you that you make like 2-3x of your money easily, like easily, guys. Especially if you're in all the school area and then you can make a lot of money from this product. So the product is chargers. In fact, iPhone charger. Let me put this iPhone charger, not just ordinary charger. So there is a lot of demand for iPhone charger, guys. Like a lot. Especially like I said, especially if you are in school area, guys. So you can start buying all this charger from China, guys. So one thing people don't know about charger is that you can be getting charger for like as low as 2,000 naira, like 800 naira, depend on how good the charger is. In fact, you can be getting charger for like 4,000 naira from China. But trust me, the charger you are getting 4,000 from China, you will be selling it for nothing less than 20,000 here in Nigeria, guys. So charger is just as that cheap, guys. You'll be getting charger for like 700, 800. And trust me, they are original chargers, nothing like fake. They are original chargers. Yes, there are also fake chargers. Yes, I won't lie to you. There are also fake chargers, guys. But they are also original chargers, and you'll be getting for this price like 1,500, 2,000, like 800, like depend on the supplier you are getting it from. So if you are getting it from a manufacturer, so manufacturer are people that actually make the product, like they have a warehouse, have people that make this charger for them, guys. So their products are very, very cheap if you are buying in large quantity. So let's just say that you are buying like 200 pieces or 300 pieces, guys. So you'll be getting it for way cheaper, guys. So especially if you are buying from all these manufacturers, trust me, you'll be getting it even for like 700 naira, 500 naira, guys. And they are original. They are original chargers, guys. So you can be getting all these chargers and adapters, guys. So you'll be getting it like as large quantity. Then you'll be selling for your schoolmate and everything. You can even start from posting like on WhatsApp status, because trust me, if you're in school or you're in school area, you have a lot of friends and everything. So if you're posting on your status, they see it, and then you start advertising, guys. Go charger for like 4,000, 5,000. The charger that they are selling for like 8,000, yeah, you'll be selling for like 5,000. So you'll be making a lot of money, guys. So if you sell charger is also very, very profitable. In fact, I will even advise you should go into charger, guys. In fact, if you don't have like literally any customer and you are a student, you are in school, so this is a business for a student that starts selling charger, iPhone charger to be precise, not just ordinary charger, iPhone charger to be precise. So if you start selling all these iPhone chargers, trust me, you will make a lot of money from it, because I actually have someone that does this, guys. So I actually have someone that do this business, guys. So I help the person to buy charger, and then the person sells. Actually, I don't even know. I even thought that the person usually owns a shop and everything, like all these Igbo men that sells charger, cars, and everything. So until that, I found out that he is actually in school, because he started posting about school and everything, because he usually just posts on his status. So I just believe that it's like all these people that owns the shop and also advertise their business online, guys. Then I noticed that this guy don't post the show. Then I later found out that he's actually a student, and that's why he right? He literally posts the charger and everything. So the person messaged me for my YouTube channel, guys. Yes, guys. So the person messaged me on my YouTube channel, and then we kick in, we start talking and everything. Then I started helping this person to buy, guys. So if you are the person, I don't want to mention his name, you can just comment down below. Yeah, just comment down below, guys. So like I said, the charger is very, very like comfortable, guys. So you can start selling all these iPhone calls, iPhone adapters, guys. So the next product I also want to talk about is also for students, guys. If you are a student, then you can also go into this product, guys. And it's nothing less than power banks. So if you are a student, trust me, guys, a lot of people need power bank because school area there's not always light, guys. So people need power banks to power their phone, to study, to do a lot of stuff, guys. So power bank is one of also the positive business you can also go into. So like I said, power bank is very, very positive. So you can be getting like 120,000 mAh power bank for like 40,000 naira. Yes, 40,000 naira. 120,000 mAh. So do you know how big that capacity is, guys? So you can be getting for like 40,000, 30,000 naira. And then you'll be selling here for like even 100,000, 80,000. So you can go as high as 100,000 for 120,000 mAh. So if you don't have like capital for that, guys, so you can even start with like 10,000 mAh and 20,000 mAh. So you can be getting all those ones for like 7,000, 8,000, 10,000. Guys, depend on the supplier you are buying from, guys. So you can also start this power bank like power bank business. It is very, very affordable and profitable, guys, if you are in school area. Also, like if you own a shop, very good for you. But if you are in school area, guys, power bank would also sells a lot, just as charger sales, guys. But you need a little bit of capital compared to charger. Yes, you need a little bit of capital to go into like power bank, guys. But if you actually have the capital, trust me, you will make your money in no time, guys. So what you just need to do, like I said, guys, just put on your status and everything, guys. Yes, like post on your status, guys, then you will see customer for it. So that's just it, guys. So there are a lot of other products you can also go into, but like I said, I will only talk about the product I know, the product I'm into, guys. So if you don't know, guys, this channel we only talk about what we do. So I only talk about what I do, that I do like this and it gives me money. So that's what I bring to you guys. So it's not that I just bring any out product or anything to you guys. These are tested products. So I've tested all these products and I know that they sell. And that's why I give you the area you can even sell more. Especially like I said, if you're in store area, you can go with charger, power banks, and the lights, guys. So I even give you the marketplace to advertise your products, guys, and make a lot of money from it, guys. So if you're still watching it now, make sure you like and subscribe, guys. So support the channel, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.